You guys, this protein shake slash smoothie, it tastes really, really good. I promise you, you're gonna love it. It's gonna help you gain weight in all the right places. It's gonna help you build muscle. It's overall good for your health. And also, I want to thank you guys for your love and your support. Do the right thing, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below and let me know if you're going to try it. Okay, see you on the next one.